Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix iPhone camera not working on iOS 17. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. So do not waste any time. First solution, you have restart camera app. Sometimes the camera app itself might do glitching, close the app completely and reopen it to see if that resolves the problem. When you have used the camera app, so double tap home, so you have removed the camera app, then you reopen. Then second solution, you have switch camera mode, toggle between different camera modes, photos, videos, portrait, etc, to check if the issue persists in all modes. This can help identify if the problem is mood specific. Then third solution, you have check for updates and restart your iPhone. Outdated software can sometimes cause camera issues. Check if the software update available for your iPhone. So you have open the setting, click on general, click on software update. If an update is available, install it and restart your iPhone. So then fourth solution, reset or setting. If none of the above step work, you can try resetting or setting on your iPhone. This will not erase your data but will revert your setting to their default values. So you have open the setting again, click on general, click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset or setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset or setting. The last solution, you have software glitches. Sometimes a temporary software glitches or big may cause camera modifications. This can happen after a major software update like iOS 17. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.